Hey again, everybody. It is Friday morning, March 21st, 2025. In the video I put out yesterday, we had left off right here at this started this timing window. This is a screenshot from that video. Right here we have we're making a new high of day at that point, and when I made the video, that's where we were, and I mentioned that we were just triggered into the short right here. You can see we took out the high of this area of the overnight trading range, which was highlighted here by the Y highlight tool in Ninja. So we had a great short entry right there, and you can see on the chart, the actual chart on the right, as time progressed, I drew the arrow here on the trigger point, and we went forward here and had about a 60-point move down from that point. So the timing windows, again, very effectively getting us the low of the day and then the high of the day. Now I want to move on to show something else here, which is the 2-hour focus of the gray line on our Astro Excel chart. Here's the Astro Excel 2-hour chart. There's a pull down tab here where you can set the time. It'll give you a 2-hour focus in view of the gray line. You can see the green line here. You can see the blue line movement. And now we can dial in on the gray line to give us either the trend and or the pivot point. Sometimes we're going to run inverted, but the bigger spike peaks will often give you the intraday turns. Like right here, we've got a low showing up at 6:04. We go to the price chart. Right here at 6 o'clock, we've got the low, so we're right there on this low. We run up to this area here at 6:14. At the 6:16 bar, we have a high right here. See, there's the pivot high. You can see that down below we're on the 6:16 bar. The next pivot point would be down here around the 6:35, 6:36 area. Right there we've got the low at 6:40. So we're very close on that. And then you can see we're pushing back up and doing a little bit of zigzagging in this area, coming into 7:02 or so. And we have that high right there at 7:02 area, like we're showing right here. Then we've got the push back down to 7:14. 7:12 right there is the low, and then we're pushing up and kind of then going flatter from there. And that's exactly what we've got, the little high at 7:19 right there at the 7:20 bar, and then we kind of go down and a little bit flat. So we do go down and a little bit flat from there. So that this is another powerful tool. This is in the Astro Excel. This comes with the Perfect Storm book. All the data for the whole year is in this file. You can look at any 2-hour window that you want throughout the whole year with this particular tool. So this is a really good aid for finding these intraday pivot points and being easily workable to change to any 2-hour window that you want. You can look at this and see these pivots ahead of time, and this tool works really well.